Hey guys, today we have a bunch of Shopkins Season 6 12 packs and a few 5 packs. We are going to be hunting for a limited edition, so fingers crossed that we will find one. So let's go ahead and get these open so we can see who we got inside. The first pack, we have Bethany Broccoli. Start back there. We have cane sugar. And we have Pippa Lemon. Oh, come back, Pippa. And then we have a color change Shopkin. This is Frida Frosting. So cute. So she should change with warm water. And then we have a bunch of bananas. And Toasty Warm. And then Karen Carrot. And Jasmine Rice. And Strawberry Top. And then the last visible one we have is Floor Flower. So then that brings us to our 2 blind recipe books. So let's see. First one. Inside we get a Shopkin and a recipe card. So we got the banana split recipe card. Awesome. Those are all the ones you need to make banana split. I'm gonna just set those there. Let's see which Shopkin we got. We got, ooh, we got Veronica. This is Veronica Veggie pizza slice. I think, gotta double check. I've only ever gotten this one once. Yeah, Veronica Veggie pizza. She's an ultra rare. I really like her colors. Look how cool she is. She looks all toasted and yummy. So awesome. I'm gonna put the ultra rare up there. And then we have our pink book. And let's see, we got the Chalk Cake Sundae recipe card. So here's her Shopkin. She needs to make that. Let's see who we got in here. I think I have an idea of who this is. Nope, I was wrong. This is Nina Noodles. Okay, we get to move on to our next pack. So the visible ones, we have Jasmine Rice. We have color change Shopkin. This is Chalk Buds. This is a color change one. This part up here changes color. And then we have caramel topping. And then Melissa Milk. And sea salt. And Madeline Muffin. And then Runny Honey. And then of course we have Floor Flower because this one is like the most common one. And Timmy Tomato Paste. And then the last visible one we have is Sweet Corn. Okay, let's see, we gotta start row number 2. Come here, Timmy. You didn't make it in the camera. And then we have our 2 blind recipe books. So let's see who we got in this one. If I can get this one out. Freddy Fried Rice's recipe card. That's awesome. And then, oh, we gotta open the Shopkin. This one is Wilbur Whipped Cream. And then let's see who we got in this one. We got the Veronica Veggie Pizza Slice recipe card. Ta-da! And then we have, let's see. Oh, Sammy Scrambles. She's an ultra rare. So that's pretty awesome. Cool. And then we are moving on to the next pack. We have Runny Honey. We have Betsy Butter. And then we have Chalk Chips. And Jasmine Rice. And then we have our color change one. This one is Small Fry Pan. This one's super fun. I like this one a lot. It's a little spatula. And then we have Madeline Muffin. We have Chalk E-Tubs. We have Miss Sprinkles. And then, oh geez, Sam Soy, but he knocked everybody over back here. Just gotta fix them real quick. So here's Sam. And then the last visible one we have is Parmesan Pete. So then that brings us to our blind ones. Possibly, is there a limited edition in here? That'd be great. So we have the Cara Carrot Cake recipe book. Ta-da! And then, let's see what we have in here. Where is the carrot? Oh, we got Blocky Ice Cube tray. And then, there we go. We have the Apple Pie Alice recipe card. And the Shopkin we got is Cupcake Princess. Cupcake Princess is awesome. She's an ultra rare. Putting all the ultra rares up there, but still no limited edition. But still working on it. So next pack we have caramel topping. We have Jasmine Rice. Melissa Milk, Chalk Buds, the Color Change Shopkin, the special edition, Madeline Muffin, Sea Salt. This is just like the pack we just opened not too long ago. Runny Honey. Fleur Flower. And then we have Timmy Tomato Paste. And then the last visible one we have is Sweet Corn. And then we have our recipe book. And let's see, we have Freddy Fried Rice's recipe card. Can't get it open. There we go. And this one's super tiny. I wonder who it'll be. Maybe Wilbur Whipped Cream. Yep, Wilbur Whipped Cream. And then we have Veronica Veggie Pizza's recipe card. Oops. And the Shopkin we have is Sammy Scrambles. So we got a little duplicate of Sammy Scrambles, but that's okay. Alright, moving on to the next pack, we have Madeline Muffin. And then we have chalk chips. And then we have vanilla tubs. And then Roma tomato. Trying to fix that over there. Roma tomato. And button mushroom. And bunch of bananas. And then we have a color change one, the Frida frosting one. Super cool. And Herb L tea bag. And then we have Bella mozzarella. And then one last visible one, which is strawberry tubs. So then we have to move on to the lined books. And let's see who's in the first one. We have Natalie Noodle's recipe card. And then we have, oh, we gotta open the Shopkin. Let's see. Oh, Stacks Cookie, or Cookie Stacks. Stacks Cookie, I think. He's an ultra rare. He's really cool. Oh, I never realized he has a little bite taken out of the top one right there. Some Shopkins were hungry. Awesome. Alright, and then let's see who we got in this one. Oh, the recipe card is Twirly Spaghetti. And it's a little bent weird. And let's see who is in here. We have, oh, Iris icing sugar. Awesome. Okay, next pack. The first one we have is vanilla tubs. And then we have Miss Sprinkles. And then we have a color change one, Olivia Olive, I believe. She's awesome, special edition, but not a limited edition. So then we have button mushroom. We have strawberry top. Oh, strawberry top, come back. And then we have Betsy butter. Blocky ice cube tray. And then we have Roma tomato. And we have sea salt. Huh. And then the last visible one we have is Madeline Muffin. And then we have our recipe books. And let's see, we have the pink one first. Oh, not a tear tab bag. This is Apple Pie Alice. And we already got her recipe card. Let's see, I need to get my scissors real quick. Okay. We have, oh, the olive oil. Oh, come back. Cool, I don't think we've gotten one of her yet. Today, anyway. And then we have carrot cakes recipe card. And who is our ultra rare is Berry Sweet Pancakes. She's so cute. I love her syrup. Hungry for pancakes now. Okay, no limited edition in that one. But don't worry, we still have a lot to go. So let's go on to the next pack. And we have Jasmine Rice. We have caramel topping. I think we're gonna run out of room. And Melissa Milk. And we have a color change Shopkin, Chalk Buds. And then we have sea salt. And we have Madeline Muffin again. We have had a lot of Madeline Muffins. And we have more Madeline Muffins than Fleur Flowers. And Fleur Flowers is the one I have the most of. And then we have Timmy Tomato Paste. And then we have Runny Honey. And then the last visible one we have is Sweet Corn. So then now it's time to move on to the non-visible ones. So we have, back to tear tab bags. We have Freddy Fried Rice's recipe card, but it is stuck in there. I'll have to get that out later. And let's see, who do we have in here? It is Wilbur Whipped Cream. And then the last, well, not the last, Veronica Veggie Pizza's card. And I can't get that one out either. There it comes. There we go. We got it. We got it, people. It's a little bent weird, but it's okay. We'll fix that right now, actually. Okay. And then we have another one here. Let's see. Oh, Scrambles. Sammy Scrambles again. Cool. Okay. Lots of Sammy Scrambles today. Okay, moving on to the next pack, we have Miss Sprinkles. We have Vanilla Tubs. And then we have Button Mushroom. And then we have Strawberry Top. And then we have a color change special edition Olivia Olive. Oops. And then we have Betsy Butter. And we have Roma Tomato. And then we have Blocky Ice Cube Tray. And then a Madeline Muffin. And the last visible one we have is Sea Salt. And then we get our two blind recipe books. And the first one is Carrot Cakes recipe card. And then the Shopkin we have is the pancakes! Very sweet pancakes! Cool! And then, there we go. We have Apple Pie Alice's recipe card. And we have, olive oil. I always want to call her Olivia Oil, but she's not. Okay, moving on to the next pack. We have a color change Shopkin. We have Wanda Wafer. She's so cute. And this part of her changes color, like the middle of the cream part. And then we have Bethany Broccoli. Oops. Sorry, Bethany. And then we have Roma Tomato. And Charlie Cheese. We haven't gotten a Charlie Cheese this opening either. Crazy. And then we have Melissa Milk. Oh, can't see her. And Button Mushroom. And we have Iris Icing Sugar. And then we have, get her out, Vanilla Tubs. Oops. And then we have Sesame tomato paste. And the last visible one we have is sweet corn. So then we gotta get our recipe books and hope that we have it. Oh, this one came open. And hope we have a limited edition. Since this one's open, let's go with this one first. We have Chalk Cake Sundays recipe card. And we have, what is this? Wanda Waffles. She's an ultra rare. She's super cool. I like the texture on the top the best. Awesome. Let's see, put you over here. And then let's see who is in this one. There we go. And then we have Banana Splits recipe card. And Veggie Vanilla. She's so cute. Okay. Moving on to the next pack. We have Miss Sprinkles, Betsy Butter, a special edition color change Olivia Olive, Fleur Flower, Runny Honey, Nina Noodles, Karen Carrot, Jasmine Rice, Bunch of Bananas. Oops. There you go. And the last visible one we have is Herb L tea bag. And then we have to get our recipe book. Let's see. First one, we have Freezy Bites' recipe card. Ta-da! And this one, let's see, it is, oh, it's Freezy Bites. The ultra rare. Cool. That's awesome. And then in this one, we have Sweet Honey's recipe card. And we actually haven't gotten her yet in this opening. We have Toast Tea Warm. Toast Tea. Okay. Now, moving on to the next pack. Herb L tea bag. We have Miss Sprinkles. Ooh. And Betsy Butter. Polly Parsley. Couldn't remember her name for a second. We have Karen Carrot. And Roma Tomato. And then we have our special edition color change Shopkin, Birdie Basil. And we have Vanilla Tubs. We have Pippa Lemon. And last visible one we have is Button Mushroom. So then we have our two blind recipe books. And we have Veronica Veggie Pizza's recipe card. And let's see who's in this one. We have Bella Mozzarella. And I'll put you right there. And then let's go to the blue one. We have Freddy Fried Rice's recipe card. And which other one shall we get? Oh, Sweet Honey. I was wondering when we'd get her. She's an ultra rare. Okay, she can go back there. And then the next pack we have Strawberry Top. We have Charlie Cheese. Chalk Chips. The special edition color change Shopkin fry pan. And I'll put you right there. And then we have Chalk E-Tubs. we have sweet corn. And we have Bethany broccoli. And then we have cane sugar. Sam soy. And the last visible one we have is Wilbur whipped cream. Cool. And then we have our 2 books. So let's see. We have Natalie Noodle's recipe card. I didn't show her to you. We haven't seen her in an ultra rare yet. I feel like she's a wave 2 character. So, and we have Parmesan Pete. Cool. And then we have Twirly Spaghetti's recipe card. Haven't seen her either. I think she's a wave 2. And which one will we get in here? Alice Apple Pie Alice. She's really cute, but she's not a limited edition. We're already more than halfway and no sign of a limited edition. Oh well. Alright, moving on to the next pack. Okay, I adjusted everything. So first pack, well, next pack, we have Jasmine Rice. We have Fleur Flower. Runny Honey. A special edition color change, Olivia Olive. And then we have Nina Noodles. We have Karen Carrot. We have Betsy Butter. And Herb L Tea Bag. Bunch of Bananas. And the last visible one we have is Miss Sprinkles. And I know I made space here, but I think I'm already out of space. So we have our first book. Let's see, it has a Freezy Bites recipe card in it. And let's see who it is. It's Freezy Bites! That's cool. Freezy Bites, the ultra rare. We'll put you back here. And then we have our next book, Sweets Honey recipe card. And it is Toasty Warm. Yay! Okay. And then let's go on to the next pack. We have Chalk Chips. I almost said Chalk Buds. Chalk Chips. We have Sweet Corn. We have Cane Sugar. Bethany Broccoli. We have Chalky Tubs. I couldn't remember his name. And we have the special edition color change small fry pan. And then we have Strawberry Top. And Charlie Cheese. And Sam Soy. And Wilbur Whipped Cream. And then we have our blind books. We have Natalie Noodles recipe card. And we have Parmesan Pete. And then we have our next book. We have Twirly Spaghetti's recipe card. And who are you? Oh, Apple Pie Alice. So no limited edition yet. We only have 3 packs left, guys. This is so sad. Oh, you're an ultra rare. You can go back here. Next we have Herb L Tea Bag. We have Veggie Vanilla. We have Chalk E Tubs. Fleur Flower. Melissa Milk. Special edition color change Wanda Wafer. Pippa Lemon. Charlie Cheese. Sam Soy. And the last visible one is Timmy Tomato Paste. Okay, and then we have our 2 books. So first one, oh no, not Tear Tab Bag. We have the Stacks Cookie Recipe Card. And inside is, oh, we got Barbie, what is it, Barbie Breakfast Muffin? Yeah, Barbie breakfast muffin. She is amazing. I really like her. Her and Veronica veggie pizza are my favorites of the ultra rares so far. And banana split's pretty cool. So we got all of the wave 1 ultra rares except for banana split. I'm pretty sure of it. So this is awesome. And then let's see what we got in this pack. We have Polly Parsley. There's your face. Okay, moving on to the next pack, we have Roma Tomato. Special edition color change Wanda Wafer. We have Bethany Broccoli and Melissa Milk. And then we have button mushroom and sweet corn, vanilla tubs, Charlie cheese, Timmy tomato paste, and Iris icing sugar. And then we have our 2 books. This one's kind of already open, so let's start with this one. Banana Splits recipe card is inside. And let's see, who are you gonna be? It's Veggie Vanilla. And then this one, come on out. We have Chalk Cake Sundays recipe card. Where are you? There you are. And we have, it kind of feels like sweet honey, I think. Oh no, it's Wanda Waffles. Wanda Waffles, the ultra rare. I like the berries on the top of her, it's so pretty. Okay. Sadly guys, we only have 1 pack left. So hopefully we'll get it out there, limited edition in here, but I don't know. So we have cane sugar, chalk e-tubs, Karen carrot, Cassie caster sugar, Melissa milk, Pippa lemon, sea salt, Charlie cheese, soy Sam soy, and the special edition color change Pretty Basil Shopkin. This is cool though. This one's like a lighter. Let's see if I can find a Pretty Basil. Where are you? Here we go. Back here. See how this one's darker and this one's lighter? So this one will change with cold water and this one will change with hot water. It's pretty neat. Okay, so we have our 2 final recipe books. So we have Sweet Honey recipe card. Let's see if we got a limited edition. Probably not. Let's see. It's Carrot Cake, the ultra rare, and then we have Breezy Bites' recipe card, and caramel topping. So unfortunately, no limited edition this time. Okay guys, while we didn't get any limited edition Shopkins this time around, we did get plenty of awesome ones. We got almost all the ultra rares from wave 1. We're just missing Banana Split. I think that's the only one we're missing. But anyway, you'll have to let me know which one was your favorite ultra rare, which one was your favorite special edition, and which one was your favorite regular Shopkin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!